Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies at home step by step. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare an 8x8-inch pan with parchment or nonstick spray. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and melt butter with chocolate in another, then whisk until smooth. Stir eggs and vanilla into the chocolate, fold in dry mix until just combined, and transfer batter evenly to your pan before baking. Careful mixing makes a big difference in brownie texture, so work gently and deliberately. Melt chocolate and butter slowly to avoid seizing, then whisk in eggs and vanilla until glossy. When adding flour and cocoa, fold using a spatula until streaks disappear, taking care not to overwork the batter. This keeps your brownies fudgy rather than cakey and ensures even rise and moist crumb throughout the pan. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is excellent for reading baking ebooks anywhere, perfect while you wait for treats to cool. I've linked the Kindle Paperwhite and other deals in the description so you can check pricing and extras. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Baking time varies, so start checking around 22 minutes for an 8x8 pan at 350 degrees F, and expect 25 to 30 minutes total depending on your oven. Look for moist crumbs on a toothpick and slightly set edges, then remove and cool on a wire rack. Cooling fully, or briefly chilling, helps the brownies firm up for clean slicing. Store cooled brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.